as Rotary International District 3780 celebrate the start of the Rotary year for the best class team. They also looked back on the success of the first class team led by 2013 to 2014 District Governor Francis Rivera.
Hi, today we celebrate the start of the Rotary year for the best class president and also to look back at the success of the first class president for the Rotary year 2013-2014. With me today is the best class secretary for Rotary 2013 and the best club president for likewise for 2013 and 2014. May we hear some words from you, gentlemen?
Well, good afternoon. I'm Paul Angel Galang, the best class president of Rotary Club of Loyola Heights. And I'm greatly honored that I will be joining the best class team of Governor Salvi Pagdilaw. Okay, and besides me,
good afternoon. This is First Class President Raul Din Adatu of the Rotary Club of Loyola Heights. It was really an honor for me that I was bestowed in my club almost all or virtually all the major awards for the Rotary year 2013-2014. First, what we did was we had a planning for all our programs and projects and another final planning to really trash out what programs and projects are suitable for our stakeholders. What I did was just simply follow and implement effectively the programs and projects of our club and also concentrating on the 6 areas or focus of Rotary. And thus, it was easy for me to reap all these awards as most outstanding club president and most outstanding club for the Rotary year 2013-2014.
Mr. President, can you share us some thoughts and regarding your presidency, the challenging part of your term, so that it will serve as an encouragement to the best class presidents also?
Yes. Well, when I assumed office as president last year, July 1, 2013, I have to proceed with my projects immediately. I have not waited for so much time. As early as July, August, September, up to December, virtually all my programs and projects have been implemented. So in 2014, January, I almost finished my the plans and programs, and supposedly that should have ended my all of my work. However, with the advent of Typhoon Yolanda or the strong Typhoon Haiyan, my job was extended even up to giving assistance to those who were affected in Leyte, and thus my term up to March have been extended in terms of projects to the less fortunate brothers and sisters.
Mr. President, in its entirety, sabihin na natin, there is a sad and happy part of an incumbency, right?
Yeah.
Doon ako pupunta sa happy part. Which would be the happiest part of your incumbency as the president of Loyola Heights?
Well, the happy part is really the full cooperation of all the members of the Rotary Club of Loyola Heights. Even if the past presidents have been working closely, have been advising me, that is the magic of RCLH. The past presidents are giving advices to the incumbency of any president of the Rotary Club of Loyola Heights. And even the members are so active in all the programs and projects. I'm very happy because it is a year of bounty in terms of blessings to our club. The sad part sometimes because of probably the members have a lot of appointments. Sometimes during club meetings, there are few who attend the club meetings, but ultimately they have to attend, especially if the project is a major project.
Okay. I'm now turning to the best secretary.
Yeah.
Can you give us some advice, especially to those who are aspiring to become best secretary also like you, Mr.
Yeah. We're very, very much lucky last year that we got almost all the awards, the major awards of the District Awards time. But then I always believe that teamwork is the best. We always practice and we always prepare. enough for that major event, for that major activity. And so I think that made us click for the club. And,
You owe it to yourself and to your members, of course.
yes, of course. Well, I always believe that first, you must have to have a good quality members. Then second, a very supportive president. The past presidents in our club is very supportive. But that they always support the incumbent president. And
Okay.
that made us click.
Okay. So watch out for that. Those who are aspiring to become best secretary. Anyway, gentlemen, any parting words?
Well, for me, I congratulate my friend Dean Raul Adatu for a very successful year, and he again made the RCLH another banner year for us, and I'm looking forward. And most probably, I have to extend much and give much effort to able to equal the efforts and the success of his term. Yes.
Mr. President.
Okay, to the incoming presidents, best class presidents, you have all the time to improve your club's operations. If you want to benchmark with us, we welcome you to improve your company's operations. To incoming president, best class friend Paul Galang, being a president is a tall order. You really have to pour your time, talent, treasure to implement all your programs and projects. I know you've infused already new or brand new programs for your term. So to you, just make good, be excellent in what you're doing. Anyway, I'll be beside you, in front of you, and on your sides, just to maintain the tradition of excellence of RCLH.
Anyway, congratulations to your outgoing president, of course to the incoming president.
Thank you
Thank you very much.
You're always welcome.